In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a table on Weebly in just 5 minutes. So let's dive right in and get started on your Weebly site. First, we want to make sure we're accessing the right tools for our task. Begin by heading over to Square's free appointment scheduling software and booking app. This is the starting point of our journey to get to Weebly seamlessly. Once you're there, simply click on the Sign In button. You'll find it straightforward, just like signing in to most online accounts. Enter your credentials and you're on your way. After signing in, navigate to the Square dashboard. Think of this as your command center where all of your tools and functionalities are at your fingertips. From here, you're only a couple of steps away from your Weebly homepage. Next, move over to the Weebly overview page. If you haven't been here before, it's essentially the place where you can see all the websites you are managing with Weebly. From here, click on the website option. This gets you to the part of and dashboards for your specific website. Once you've accessed your website, what you want to do is click on the Edit Site button. Now, editing your site is where the magic happens. You can modify your pages, aesthetics, and most importantly for today, add different elements to your pages, including tables. Now that you're inside the site editor, you'll want to add a section. You'll find the Add Section button readily accessible, which allows you to insert various elements into your web page, giving you flexibility in designing the content just the way you want it. After you've added a section, you'll need to click on Embed Code. This part might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, it's pretty straightforward. By selecting Embed Code, you're giving yourself the option to introduce HTML or any widget that requires an embed code, including tables. Once you've embedded your code, your table will appear on your Weebly site, ready for you to customize with the content and style that fits your objectives. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to make a table on Weebly, creating a structured, organized way to present information on your site. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. By following these steps, you can create clean, functional layouts on your Weebly site in no time at all. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore and try out different functions available within Weebly to enhance your site further. Thanks for watching and happy building on Weebly.